Hello, welcome to Shahkam Industries. We are going to go do a quick visual tour of the facility and show you all that we have here. We are located in Lahore, Pakistan, and we are around 35 acres and have 7,000 to 8,000 employees. As we go through the facility, it is keen to note that it is a vertically integrated factory which has all the production processes within the same four walls. Our tour will start at the yarn store, which is able to house and store around 40,000 bags, which is approximately 2 to 2.5 months worth of our capacity. Each and every bag in our yarn store is barcoded and is linked up to our ERP system, which starts from yarn and continues all the way to packed garments. As we leave the yarn store, we enter into our knitting department. In all, we have 5 knitting halls, which house close to 200 knitting machines and around 45 flat knitting automatic machines as well. Our knitting department has 53 stripers and 55 low shrinkage fleece knitting machines and around 100 jersey knitting machines as well. This is the aforementioned collar knitting department with Matsuya automatic collar knitting machines. We are now in our yarn dyeing department. We have around 7,000 to 8,000 kgs of daily yarn dyeing capacity, and we also have a capacity of 30,000 garment dyeing machines as well. 30,000 pieces a day. Machines are from Yilmaz in Turkey. This is the installation in process of our 2 new Ferraro open width compactors, and we are awaiting a 12-chamber stentor machine from Montfort's as well. This will add to our capacity where we already have 2 8-chamber Bruckner stentor machines. This is our SSM soft winding machines, which are precision based. We've entered into our raising and swading department, which has Mario Crester and Namperti machines. As we head towards our dyeing department, one of the main and new installations that has just occurred is our auto dosing machine, which automatically sends dyes, chemicals, soda, water, and all the different properties required for dyeing through a system of pipes which is auto dosed. This is a state-of-the-art addition in our company and one of the first in Pakistan of this type of machine. We can see the installation of some of our new dyeing machines. This will take our capacity and modernize our machinery to up to 35,000 kgs of dyeing. All our machines are from Fongs, and we have 12 6T dyeing machines from Fongs as well to handle bulk production. As we move through the dyeing department, you can see our open width compactor from Santex and one more from Sporeto, and of course our Bruckner. This is one of our 5 gates, which has facial recognition and biometric entry system. Here we are in our fabric inspection department where we have 5 automatic fabric inspection machines. We've returned to our warehousing area and we are now at our dyed fabric store. As you can see, every lot here is separated and racked accordingly, so there's less chance of mixing and minimal chance of misdirection of fabric, and all fabric is barcoded and tagged in our ERP system before it's moved on to cutting. We are now in cutting, and this is our newly added Morgan auto cutting machine, which does around 25 to 30,000 pieces a day. On top of that, with it, we also have our manual cutting, which does another 25 to 30,000 pieces a day. Here we are in our CAD room, and as you can see, we have computerized pattern making all over our factory. In all, we have around 2,500 sewing machines, which gives us a capacity of 60,000 garments per day. They are split in 8 production units. Here we are in printing, and in printing you can see we have heat transfer printing, Octopus auto printers, and also we have table printing as well. We're able to do HD printing, high density printing, and we're able to do distress printing and digital printing as well. Next to our warehouse where all our finished product is in cartons, we also have space for our Eco fabric, which is basically a gray fabric that is knit. That also required a complete separate warehouse so that once it comes out of knitting, it is barcoded and tagged there before it goes into dyeing actually. Here we are now in our final inspection rooms. We have 7 final inspection rooms which are connected directly to our carton warehousing facility. This is our carton factory, in keeping in spirit our attempts to have a completely vertically integrated factory. We also make our own cartons. Here we are in our boiler, and this is our biofuel boiler from Getterbeck in Germany and Thailand. And of course it was very important for us to have an environmental friendly boiler. This takes out the ash that is being burnt and filters it and then uses it for recycling. We are in our ERP system here, and over here you can see how the barcoded process of wages is constituted in the factory. Here is the final product, which is what it's all about, and of course what the whole operation strives for.